or and not. Okay, so with the help of these three operations or three gates, text searching will be performed. Okay, so if you are taking as just she is eating biscuits on chocolates. So here we have biscuit and chocolates are the two things, right? So we can use these and or not operations and we can search the text easily. Okay, and last one is, so this will be useful in duality. So we know the duality property, right? So if we are using x plus x bar is equal to 1 means x. So we are changing this into and then is equal to 1 is replaced by 0, right? So this is the duality principle, right? So this De Morgan's theorem helps in duality. So performing or is an example for duality. Okay, so this De Morgan's theorem is example for mathematical duality. So these are the applications of De Morgan's theorem. So one is to simplification of the Boolean expression and useful for implementing the basic gates as a alternative gates or alternative operations, and it is used in text searching with the help of and or not operations, and then it is an example for duality. Okay, so these are the applications of De Morgan's theorem. So with the help of this De Morgan's theorem, we can solve the Boolean expressions, right? So now suppose consider one a bar b whole bar a bar and then plus ab. Okay, so now for this expression we need to simplify this expression or this Boolean equation with the help of De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so what is here means the whole expression will be complemented. I told, so if it is whole complemented, we need to divide that bar, right? So now divide this bar. So now I am dividing that a bar. So this bar I am dividing three parts because we have three different equations, right? So three different variables. So I am dividing these bars here. Okay, so a bar whole bar. I told if we are dividing the bar, change the operations. So here we have plus operation, change it to multiplication means and operation, then a bar, then this one whole bar into ab bar, right? So why I am writing here two bars means we have already one bar and then whole bar, that is divided, right? So that's why we get double bar. So we know that double inversion law, that is x double bar is equal to x, right? So here we have ab double bar. So we get ab, so this double bars will be cancelled into, so a double bar means x double bar means a into, so a plus b. So here also a into b whole bar. So divide that bar. So you will get a bar. So if we have AND operation, convert to OR operation and then b bar. Right? So do you understand? So here we have x double bar. So that is equal to x, right? So that's why these bars will be cancelled. Okay? So that value will be a bar into a only. So here we have ab whole bar. So we know that xy whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. So instead of xy we have ab. So a bar plus b bar. Okay. So now multiply this a bar to this. Okay. So a into b into a into a bar plus a into b into a into b bar. Okay, understand? So this a bar is multiplied to this and b bar is multiplied to this. Okay. Next, we know that a into a. What is a into a? We get a only, right? So a into a bar is 0. So we know that x into x bar is equal to 0 according to complementative law. So I wrote ab as it is into this part will be 0 plus here a into a is a, right, according to independence law, into b into b bar means x into x bar is equal to 0 only, 0. Okay, so here I am taking, so here a into a bar is equal to 0, here a into a is equal to a and b into b bar is equal to 0. So that I am applied here. So we know that 0 into anything is 0 plus a into 0 means 0 into anything is 0. So finally we get the result as 0. Okay. So by simplifying or by solving this equation we get the result as 0. So this can be solved in a 3 different ways. Okay. So this is a one way. So we are applying the basic properties, right? So with the help of that basic properties we are solving this equation. So likewise we have many equations to be solved. Okay, so I will give one exercise for you, that is x y plus xz plus yz. Just try to solve this equation. So we will, in the next class we will try to solve the different equations. Okay, so different Boolean expressions that will be solving in our next class. Okay, thank you.